Good afternoon. This is going to be a quick demonstration of StackRox and integration with Harbor. So I've got these windows around. I've got a Harbor set up right now at harbor.docker.life. The first thing I need to do is configure my local workstation to be able to push images. There we go, right in the window. To be able to push images up. So I'm going to do a docker login -u admin -p Harbor 12345, I believe, and then harbor.docker.life. Huzzah. Okay, so docker tag. I got a couple images here. Let me just copy and paste this URL. Flash demo. Docker push. Copy and paste, because why not? Push another one. We can flip over here. We can go look at the repository. So we've got our repositories up and running. And this is Harbor V2. I just go ahead and spun it up with their quick start guide where you get a shell script and it uses Docker Compose on a clean Ubuntu server and away it goes. So what we need to do now with StackRox, we need to go to platform configuration integrations. We're going to set it up as a generic Docker registry. Let's go ahead and hit new. And what we're going to call this is Harbor. We're going to give it the name. We're going to say this is a registry. It's going to be harbor.docker.life. The username is going to be admin. The password is going to be harbor12345. We're going to disable the cert because I'm using a self-signed cert for it right now. And let's go ahead and test it first. And we should go ahead and see an error. Maybe I typed the password wrong. HARBOR12345. Let's test it one more time. We've got another error. Response 401 unauthorized, so it's not letting me in. Let me validate the certs. Get the cert there. Let me log out. Yeah, go to light. Admin HARBOR12345. Login. That got me in. We did a login here. Let me just copy and paste it. Let's save it. There you go. Successfully integrated. Okay, cool. So now what we can do, we can take this a step further. As you can see, we've got our two images up here. What we can do, give me one sec, I know where I've got it. I've got it here. So what we can do, Control R, check. Oh, wrong. So what we're doing is we're asking RockCTL through the command line to go ahead and scan image, but instead of that image, we're going to use harbor.docker.life/. And as you can see, we've got an output. Now, one of the things that we haven't checked for yet is that other image. And that was Flask. Let's go ahead and run that. And notice that just did a quick scan too. So we can see that the Flask image has curl in the image and has the latest tag. And these are the policies that have failed the StackRox policy engine. So this is not CVE based. This is strictly policy. Another thing we can do under the rockctl command, under image, is we also have a scan. So not only scan will give us the exact scan results, but we can also then do the check. So let's do the same thing, but let's just do a scan on Flask. Just copy some of the settings. So rocks scan. Forgot the word image. Gotta love that. Cool, and this gives us the exact JSON of all the number of CVEs. So again, we have ability with two commands to do a scan and a check to look at CVEs and policy information. Hope this is helpful. Peace.